Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create exploded view in SolidWorks and then how to import this exploded view into SolidWorks drawings. After that we will also add these balloons into this model. So keep watching this video till end.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
So let's start. First of all, you have to open your assembly in SolidWorks and then go to configuration manager here. Now right click on default and select new exploded view. Now you can select and remove all parts one by one. So first of all we have to remove bearing. Then we have bearing bracket. Now we have side glass. Then side plate. Both of these pulleys with belt. Then these stands. Now nozzle. Motor casing and motor. Runner disc with all buckets. Now removing only one bucket. And then shaft. Once you have done all the exploded view, press OK button to save it. Now you can also animate the collapse. To do that, right click on exploded view 1 and select animate collapse. This is the speed for animation. Close it. If you double click on exploded view 1, it will be exploded, and again if you double click here and then it will be collapse. So now I am going to import this exploded view into SolidWorks drawings. Press Ctrl plus N key from your keyboard and select drawing. select the sheet for your drawings, or you can also select your custom sheet size from here. Press OK button. Now in the model view tab, double click on the assembly and import it. Press OK button. Select this model and change the shade from here. Select the view orientation and scroll down. If you want to scale up this model, select use custom scale, or you can also select user defined route. Now we have to rotate this model view, so for that click here, rotate view, and rotate it according to your requirement. Then apply and then select close button. Now let me show you how to add balloons to this model. Click on annotation tab here and then select balloons. Scroll down. Settings, circular, instead of circular select none. Again scroll down. Balloon text, file name. Now click on parts and balloons will be created automatically. Shaft, bearing, bucket, stand, casing, main pulley, belt, motor pulley, motor housing, and then nozzle. Press OK button. Now we have to edit this name, belt 7 assembly. I want to write only belt here, so select this and then scroll down. Instead of file name, select text and type your text here, belt. Press OK button. If you want to increase these text sizes, select all balloons and then scroll down. Now select more properties, then scroll down and uncheck this box, use document font. Now click on font and select points 16 or select your own size. You can also change font style from here. So press OK button and then again OK button. Thanks for watching and sparing time for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.